It is all over. Bloemfontein, Free State. Siwelele. Against Amakhosi Bafana Bokuthula noXolo. Coming from a beautiful weekend where they could have won the match, but they drawn the match, and where everybody expected to Babezudliwa, but they managed to get a draw, and they were happy about that. But today, Siwelele take the game into their hands and put 2 behind Kaizer Chiefs as they suffer a defeat away from home. This is Through Pass, and if this is your first time here, please do subscribe, share, channel nabanye ukuthi we are here. Let me come out Siboniso Sizo wakamnika Sibonge nangami ngedwa mphethu Coach Killer Mphela, the plumber of nose.
Ehle plumber mfowethu sawubona ehle plumber.
I'm not good.
Yeah, I expected it.
What?
I expected it. If you know, go and read my status there. I saw the lineup. I saw Cele is in. And I said, no, Chiefs won't win this game. As long as Cele is still in, Chiefs won't win the game. Simple as that. The reason is simple.
What's your issue with our homeboy?
No. The combination of him and Ulokozan doesn't work.
My boy.
It doesn't work. The coaches should have seen that thing. Good man, that combination doesn't work. I cried about it even on the previous game. And then that's why I said, when I saw the lineup...
No, previous game,
I'm not talking about this one. I'm not talking about the derby. Okay. I'm talking... I complained about it on that game. And then on the game of weekend, and then I said Chiefs won't lose because the midfield was strong. And then that's why I said, oh, those coaches are not plumbers. Today...
They are plumbers.
No, they are not plumbers. They are not plumbers. I understand they keep it, but for me, I would prefer maybe Ox no Lokuzan, Ox no Mapu instead of Ucele. Ucele is out. Ucele should be staying there on the stands for a longest time, because you know.
But are you not saying Ugutu Ucele must be combined with somebody else? When your issue is against Ucele?
Yes.
I'm confused.
Yes. Umapo has been getting the man of the match, 5, 10 men of the matches. So how can you check out that guy? So because the problem Ucele is scam, Lisa. But yeah.
Wow.
I scam Ucele. I scam Ucele. Yeah.
I understand what we cause and your frustration, but it's not good to take out the frustration onto the players. But let's go to the game.
You know what I've noticed on this game? Kaizer Chiefs players, they were fatigued. They're not used to play very, very high intensity game. The game of the weekend, they took the energy from them. They trained them.
And the traveling again to play for them.
Doctor, I was serious. I'm for to go to life to 48, doctor.
Yeah, you travel.
But the Kaizer Chiefs is rich. They use the flight. They don't
So
drive
what?
4 hours.
So
How
what?
come there's no jet lag with less than an hour? Oh gosh, I went.
It's traveling.
No.
Listen.
This is not
Okay,
careful.
can you listen to me before you proceed?
No, we are better.
You play. Derby was played on Sunday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Derby is played on Sunday, and then you sleep. Tomorrow you wake up, you don't rest. You go because near fly, near Lela, near Corn. So Monday was traveling day, you didn't rest. Tuesday you get some time to do those,
Let me tell you what happens.
But
Let me tell you what happens. You're playing on Sunday.
don't say they traveled on Sunday. They traveled on Monday.
No, I didn't say they traveled on Sunday. Man, I'm telling you that they were playing on Sunday, right? On Monday, they did the return. On Tuesday, they had to travel to Bloemfontein, and then on Wednesday, they have to train. So you could see that they haven't rested. Yes, they've rested in terms of hours. They did rest more than 48 hours. Okay, they did rest, but you could see that they are fatigued. That's why they were making so many errors there at the back. When they were trying to build up, they were making so many errors because they were not able. I think coach set up a team with the 4-2-3-1, and then the tactic was simple: just press them high because they're not comfortable. Whenever they're trying to build up, close the second balls, allow center backs to have the ball. Whenever they're trying to pass into the midfield or they're passing to Abo Omunyane or Umako, and then you go there and press, broke the passing lanes, then you do a turnover balls, then you go and score. Before even that goal came, there were two or three chances. The warning signs that, hey man, stop playing the ball from the back because these guys are pressing high. Then you could say that because Iswelele was playing with the arrows, but the intensity, they were more fresher. The players of Iswelele, they were more fresh. Nolunga, ambulala umunyana. Bambulala umunyana. Lokuzana, getting the ball, go through, get the ball, go through. They were driving with the ball. Omangaman in the midfield. Then I'm asking, where is Ucele? All this is happening. The guys are driving through the midfield. Where is Ucele? Mapu is marking on this side of Ucele. Whenever the ball is switched on that side, Ucele is joking. And then it continued. And then I saw Kaizer Chiefs Lapo getting confused. Lilepo is playing on the left, and also Moti is playing on the left. Umoti now is off. Is making a wrong decision making when he reaches the final third. They get onto transition, they go and score.
But Lilepo
frustrated. But also
even on the derby, man.
But also the fatigue. Ulilepo was fatigued. Ulokuzane, Umoti fatigued. Abo Msimang, the way the central defenders, the way they were marking, there is no one that was commanding that, okay, let us go, let us play high line. They were able to break two passes, 1-2. They were able to break the line. 1-2. Monyane was always off. Olede was always in front because he was always overlapping. So a very, very bad game for Kaizer Chiefs. But you could see that the energy is from that tap.
You know who I'm worried about? It's Peterson. Because I'm really advocating for the guy to go to the World Cup. I think he deserves it. And now this it's running everything.
No, I've heard Hugo Bruce talking about similar thing because Oprah Rob who insisted to Brendan Peterson deserve a chance. I don't think this will jeopardize his opportunity because it's not like he made the blunders. He did save. Those goals that they came in, it did save them first before they got in, especially the first one, the one for Lokozana Potsana. So even now, when you look at the score is not a true reflection because they did get a changes. They did make a save, maybe 4 to 5 saves, if I remember correctly. And also, Kaizer Chiefs, they did get a chances, especially second half when they've introduced Abo Da Silva, when they introduced Abo or Bricato, although I still feel that he was played also in a wrong position. Yes, in a wrong position. Yeah. So it fluid it because the problem was here in the midfield. Ucele, whenever he gets the ball, he couldn't supply. It doesn't supply. The guy is not marking. The guy is not supplying. It's not linking the attack. When there is a build-up, you don't see him. When we are attacking, we don't see him.
Okay. No, I think I've heard enough about you and Kwele. The unfortunate part is that Kaizer Chiefs suffered a defeat today. And number 2, position 2. But again, it's unfortunate. Please do subscribe, share with channel. We are here and on the other side. Mamelodi Sundowns won and they managed to get all 3 points. So that is what was happening today. The league tackling is still going to be interesting. But we are out of here.